आप देख रहे हैं news@24।
Hi, I'm Ashish,
And I'm Anjali.
and together we are the founders of True
True
Crafts
Crafts
and
and
Makeovers.
Makeovers.
We bring you luxury versions of vases done by wooden pottery, and we're very blessed to be a part of this show here at Indian Art Festival that is happening at Constitution Club of India. And as you can see, our work is showcased here on the table, 64 number A. And you can find it from 7th till 9th of November 2025. We have been showcasing around Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Dubai, Bangalore, and a lot of other places. And we are even going to go to Hawa Mahal, Jaipur very soon, next month. So we are happy to be here, and we're blessed to have such curators like Rajiv Ji, who has given us such an opportunity. He's a great curator, and we look forward to many more such events with him. And we welcome you here. Please come and encourage us. Thank
Myself
you.
Ravi Gupta. Here we are displaying some of the artwork. The Bengal art have paved the way for future generations of some of the Indian artists. Here, these artists are significantly contributed to India's rich cultural heritage and contributing to some of the Indian contemporary arts. As we have displayed some of the artwork like Sanatan Denda, Manoj Mitra, Bhima Pradhan. These are all Bengal artists.
Hello everybody. My name is Ashutosh Ratnakar. I am an engineer by training, an educator by choice, and an artist at heart. This is my first time at India Art Festival, and here is my collection. Uh, I have worked on 3 series. The first one is called Externalities. The second one is Urban Respite, and the third one is Homecoming. So I'm trying to weave a story in colors and shapes and lines. So the main idea behind each series is as following. Number one, externalities is about people who are uprooted from their uh, foundations. So in economics, there is a term called externalities, which means it's the cost that is not calculated in capitalism. So if you think of it, when somebody manufactures a car, they calculate the cost of all the parts, they calculate the cost of the labor and the factory and everything else, but they don't calculate the cost of pollution. So there is a repercussion when you make vehicles and you put them on the road, and that goes in externalities. In the same manner, when factories move to tribal areas, they displace a lot of people, and those people uh, pay the price of development. And I try to question through my art how how important is this kind of development. So here you see externalities is about that, and then we come to urban respite. So when these people are displaced from their home, they come to urban areas, they don't feel that they belong to that space because it's disconnected from nature. In their hometowns, they have a place which is very close to nature. They are able to see the flora and fauna. They are able to enjoy clean air, drink clean water. But then they are pushed towards cities where everything is so dirty, and they are most of the time they are pushed towards living in jhuggi and jhopdis, in small shanties, and that's a problem. So when I see myself as an engineer who moved from a small town to a city like Delhi, I connect with migrant laborers a lot. And one of the connections that I feel is the night sky. Um, Sometimes I feel trapped in my small apartment, and I go towards the terrace, and on the terrace I see the sky, night sky, I see the stars, and I feel that there's this deep connection between me and a migrant labor from Bihar or Chhattisgarh. We all are under the same sky, and even though they might be living in a dilapidated condition in their own JJ colonies, at night when they look up the sky, both of us are looking at the same sky. So urban respite is respite, a temporary relief from the urban busyness. in urban life we are always running towards something. Everything is so fast. So urban respite is slowing things down, rooting yourself into realities, your foundation, your basics, and that is what nature provides us. So that's the focus of urban respite. And the third series is homecoming. So a person who is displaced goes to the cities, feels a lot of pain, and then wants to come back home. So homecoming is about the longing that we all have to find home. I have been living in Delhi for past 20 years, and in my heart I carry this heaviness, and I often sigh and feel what home is like, because when I grew up, I grew up near a river. I grew up near graveyards, and I was able to see, feel nature everywhere. And now I see that I'm disconnected and uprooted from that. So these paintings are my way of moving towards my home, finding my perfect home, and that is about these three series. These are some of the works from the series. These are not all the works. I am making this entire collection, and I hope to exhibit it sometime soon in Delhi. Thank you very much for listening
Hello
to me.
everyone, myself Shweta Mehta, and I'm doing my exhibition here for the second time. The response is very good. My artwork, these are my artworks, and they are all used by like acrylic paints, and I have done the textured art in this, and this one is the relief work which is done with POP and MCL. Everything is done with the handmade thing, and acrylic paint has been used, the above ones, and the down one is used the oil paints. So I'm really feeling happy to put up here. So the response is nice.
Hi, my name is Roopsi Batra and I'm an abstract artist. So as you can see, I've displayed my art for the first time in India Art Festival and the response so far is lovely. So my art is like a mixed media kind of art where I use a variety of materials like acrylic as a main material, and then inks and charcoals and oil pastels, and I've used some coffee over here also. So I try to experiment with lots of things and try to come with something new as always. And I've been working as an artist since 7-8 years now, and I hope this experience is a wonderful one for me.
Hi, this is Sandhya here and I'm from Faridabad and these are my creations. और जो भी क्रिएशन आप देख रहे हो ये सब हैंडमेड है एंड यूजिंग पेबल्स एंड स्टोन्स. दे आर नेचुरल्स. बेसिकली दे आर इमोशंस ऑन फ्रेम जो मैं क्रिएट करती हूँ.
Thank you so much.
My name is Shalu Chaudhary. I am an artist from Noida. I am mainly doing acrylic and my all artwork is showing the philosophy of life. In my each artwork you can see the harmony, freedom and transition and harmony and love. Okay, I came here to exhibit, to showcase my artwork first time through the Artisius Art World Gallery, and Mr. Rajiv Bansal is very supportive for our for such for I came to IF to showcase my artwork through Artisius World Art Gallery of Mr. Rajiv Bansal. He is very supportive and very helpful for beginners, artists, and I again came here to showcase my artwork next time.
Good afternoon, my name is Viva Singh. I make relief paintings. These are made with ceramic and chalk powder and it's done in layers, so it gives a 3D effect. So अगर आप देखेंगे तो it's like a carving. So my foundation is Tree of Life. आप देख सकते हो. There are different formats of Tree of Life. ये देखिए, ये एक छोटा है. तो ये सब उससे अडॉप्ट किया हुआ है उस थीम से. तो ये सारे फूल पत्ते जो डिज़ाइन हैं, they are all related to Tree of Life. तो बाकी गणेशा, नेम प्लेट, फ्रेम्स, ये सब चीज़ें मैं बनाती हूँ. तो अभी आर्टिशियस में दिस इज आई एम पार्टिसिपेटिंग फॉर सेकेंड टाइम मिस्टर राजीव जी के साथ। लास्ट ईयर भी किया था, अभी भी किया था, सो इट्स अ वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस। तो जस्ट होपिंग फॉर द बेस्ट।
मेरा नाम स्मृति मनोज है और मैं वाटर कलर आर्टिस्ट हूँ और फर्स्ट टाइम इस वेन्यू में कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्लब में मैं पार्टिसिपेट कर रही हूँ और ये बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है और बहुत ही आई ओपनर भी है। और अगर आप मेरा और काम देखना चाहते हैं तो मेरा स्मृतिकृत SMRITIKRIT के नाम से इंस्टा, फेसबुक एंड यूट्यूब में है। और बस आप आइए इधर, देखिए बहुत अच्छा काम है इधर, आपको ज़रूर मज़ा आएगा और आपका समय बिल्कुल पैसा वसूल है ये।
हाय, मेरा नाम शिवानी है और ये मेरे पेंटिंग्स हैं और इसमें मैंने कंटेम्प्रेरी आर्ट और साथ में एक्रेलिक भी है और मैंने कुछ कैनवस भी लैंडस्केप ड्राइंग की है कैनवस में, आप ये भी देख सकते हैं। और मुझे पेंट करना बहुत पसंद है, स्पेशली लैंडस्केप मुझे ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टेड हूँ, साथ में कंटेम्प्रेरी भी है। और आप चाहे तो मुझे इंस्टा में भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं। मेरा नाम शिवानी राजवंशी है। थैंक यू।
हाय, मेरा नाम कमल किशोर है और मैं दिल्ली से ही हूँ और मैं ये वुडन इफेक्ट में काम करता हूँ। इसी में काम करते हुए मुझे 4-5 साल से ही मैं वुडन इफेक्ट में काम करने लगा हूँ। अब मुझे इसी में अच्छा लगता है और मैं यहाँ का आर्ट फेस्टिवल का ये फर्स्ट टाइम है मेरा और मैं राजीव जी के उसी में कर रहा हूँ।